What's going on, guys? My name's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and me and my wife have spent the past 2 years trying to renovate our house. So for the past couple of weeks, we've had electrical contractors, HVAC, and plumbing all working inside. So instead of getting in their way, we decided to tackle this downstairs courtyard project and make it look nice again. My wife's got the green thumb, so she's been able to plant trees down here, flowers, and just overall looks great. The only problem is there's an ugly sump pump that sticks out like a sore thumb. We need it down here. Unfortunately, we can't move it, so in this video, I'm gonna build a fence around the sump pump and make it look nice. So let's get started. So I just got the other post up and I used a post bracket that I could mount to the railroad tie. Set that in place and leveled up the post in line with the other post and drilled the 2x4 to this picket fence to have stability. Now I'm going to run a 2x4 on the top and the bottom. Now that the framing's done and the posts are set for the fence, now it's time to focus on the door. So it's a 36-inch wide opening, and because the posts aren't cemented in and they just have that bracket underneath, I'm afraid that the weight will sag the door. So I'm gonna go ahead and put two doors, both 18 inches, and they're gonna open into the actual sump pump itself. So let's go ahead and measure it up and make up some doors. I just got done installing the black hinges on the back side of the door. Now I need to go ahead and cut the door in half, releasing both doors separately, and we'll open and close them and see if they're aligned properly. So it's the next day, and I did some stuff without the camera on, and I'm sorry. So I did on one side of the opening, I started making lattice out of 1x1s, and then I also, once I created that pattern, I reinforced one of the double hinge doors. So I'm gonna do everything on this side, support the door, and re-lattice one of the sides, and I'll do it on video. Hey, you're kind of screwing with my audio.
I'll throw this shovel at you.
Ow!
How's that for some audio?
Yeah, it didn't pick that up. time for the finishing touches. I got some sweet little handles I'm gonna put on the doors, and we should be good to go. Now it's time to do a final reveal. Alright, so that's all we got for this project. I was able to cover this horrible sump pump behind me. It was a huge eyesore. After about 4 days worth of work, I was able to finish it up, and I think it turned out great. These doors work really well. They actually fold inside so where I can still work on the sump pump, and then if I need to close it, then we can go ahead and close it up so no one sees. So that's all we got for today. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, let me know down in the comments what color we should paint it. Should we keep it white to match the other fence, or should we leave it this pressure treated color? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.